We create a series of programs called Immersion programs. The idea there is that we pick up a group of students out of what they normally study and immerse them in business, sales, and marketing kinds of concepts.
The Sales Immersion program was built out of a need that we saw where companies came to us interested in hiring analytical, technical engineers who can also communicate the value of the products and services that they provide. The Sales Immersion program was designed to do just that. Educate students, those Aggie engineers who have a technical background, but also want to add additional communication skills to their resume.
We take them through the sales process, teach them that there really is a process to selling. It's not a script, it's not a formula, but a process. And so they learn to develop those communication skills and problem-solving skills and apply it a little bit differently than they might in engineering. Super intense kind of programming where they do a team project, it's competitive. They get a ton out of it. Students who have gone through the program recommend other students to do the program.
I would recommend this program to any engineer because the analytical skills you learn in class combined with the personal skills you can learn through sales will make an unstoppable combo.
I like the fact that I got to really learn about myself, my strengths as a person.
The company tours have been fantastic and they've shown us kind of the day-to-day life of salespeople. Truly got a lot out of it. I felt that the role play really helped me with kind of understanding how sales might happen in the real world.
I feel like this is just such a great opportunity. You grow so much. I'm not the same person that I was when I started it last week.
As an engineer, we so often find ourselves just sitting behind a desk, learning the same facts every day, and not developing those soft skills that anyone needs to take them far in life, regardless of whether you're going to do sales or not.
I think it's very valuable for a student to be able to put 2 colleges on their resume. They put the College of Engineering and then they put Mays Business School through these immersion programs.
Very impressed with the group of students. The effort and the preparation they put in was really impressed, and I think they really got a lot out of it, and great chance to really get to know them more and really identify some of the talent that we're looking for at ADB.
I love this class because it exemplifies the values of Texas A&M and connecting students with industry. After this class, I feel prepared to tackle any career.